Additive manufacturing is entering a new era by adjusting to the most advanced and demanding industrial needs. The time has come for mass customization of technical ceramics. Join us as we illustrate our unique expertise and learn about our wide range of printers. The C100 Easy has a customer-friendly interface and is an accessible introduction into the world of 3D printed ceramics. With its lab-friendly footprint, less than 1 square meter, the C100 Easy is designed for quick and efficient print runs. This printer is built for developing your projects and for the optimization of small parts and low-quantity series. The printer can be set up to run in under 30 minutes. As the laser polymerizes the paste, a green part is created using one of our 15 standard materials, 3D Mix. Imagine, design, test, optimize. Then scale up to the C3600 Ultimate to repeat and reach mass customization. Developed for industrial production needs, this printer offers the ability to produce either large parts or a large series of parts on the 600 by 600 by 300 mm build platform. The C3600 Ultimate has a unique blade that fills up with slurry directly from a pressure tank before spreading a homogeneous layer on the large build platform. Polymerizing the paste with 4 independent lasers is a cost-efficient method that optimizes the printing time while maintaining excellent part quality. The C3600 Ultimate has been developed to allow you to reach the industrial scale you need. After the printing process, the unpolymerized paste is reusable after filtering. Top-down technology enables the construction of parts without mechanically attached supports, exclusive to 3DCeram. Using our SLA technology, we have developed an industry-friendly automatic cleaning system, which decreases cleaning time and increases productivity. 3DCeram provides a support service by supplying their customers with design modifications, training, process optimization, and maintenance. Use our portfolio that is composed of more than 15 materials to produce technical ceramic parts in-house. Additive manufacturing for mass customization challenges the limits of current technology. Reach out for more information to launch your additive journey.